Forget waiting years. If you want to flip $20 this week, you need to follow the momentum. Here is the exact play for March 2026. First, put $10 into Oracle, ORCL. They just crushed earnings and confirmed a 15% stake in TikTok US. With a $553 billion backlog, half your bag goes here for the steady surge. Next, put $6 into Sable Offshore, SOC. Reports just hit that federal powers are being invoked to override California's oil blockades. This stock is up 16% today and aiming for that $19 target. Finally, put your last $4 into Corvus Pharma, CRVS. This is a biotech lotto ticket. They just confirmed a 75% success rate in trials this afternoon. If it breaks out, this $4 doubles overnight. That's your $20 split. Set a 10% stop loss so you don't lose your capital, and get out once you hit your goal. Protect your bag and execute. Subscribe for the next update, and let's get this wealth. See you in the next video.